In this video, I'll show you how to check old chats in WhatsApp. First, open WhatsApp on your phone. If the chat still exists, simply open the conversation and scroll up to view older messages. WhatsApp automatically loads previous messages as you scroll. If the chat was deleted, you may be able to recover it using a backup. To check your backup, open WhatsApp and go to Settings. Then tap Chats and select Chat Backup. Here, you'll see the date and time of your most recent backup. If the backup was created before the chat was deleted, you may be able to restore it. To do this, uninstall WhatsApp from your device and then reinstall it from your App Store. Open WhatsApp again and verify your phone number. During setup, you'll be prompted to restore your chat history from a backup. Tap Restore and wait for the process to complete. Once the restoration is finished, your old chats will reappear if they were included in the backup. And that's how you can check and recover old chats in WhatsApp. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new guide.